Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, including news of a startling income gap in China. But first, American consumer confidence dipped slightly in April, but has remained near a 6-year high, while home prices rose in February, suggesting their economy was regaining some of the momentum after a winter lull. The American home ownership rate fell to its lowest level in nearly 19 years, according to data out overnight. The share of Americans who own their own home was 64.8%, the lowest since the second quarter of 1995, when it was 64.7%. Their rental vacancy rate was basically unchanged. In some fresh research carried out by 5 Chinese universities and coordinated by the University of Michigan, the income gap between the rich and poor in China has surpassed that even of the US and is amongst the widest in the world. They found that the Gini coefficient for family income in China is now around 0.55, compared with 0.45 in the US. In 1980, China's Gini coefficient was 0.3. In 2012, the Chinese government refused to release the country's Gini coefficient data. Generally, when the coefficient reaches 0.5, it indicates that the gap between rich and poor is severe. New Zealand's last Gini score was about 0.33 in 2011, but is said to be rising. In China, their central bank issued its annual financial stability report overnight and said some high-risk investment products should be allowed to fail in an orderly way. They also signalled more regulation of fast-growing internet-based financial products. In London, the 5-member gold price-setting committee is falling apart. One member, Deutsche Bank, has tried to sell its seat on the committee, but it failed. No one wanted it. So it's resigned. It's a 4-member group now. The gold price dipped overnight to $1,289 an ounce, while oil was steady. Equities are now up in late afternoon trade, while the benchmark US Treasury 10-year bond yield is about 3 basis points higher at 2.71% today. We start today with the New Zealand dollar pretty stable against the US at just over 85.5 US cents, also stable against the Aussie at 92.3, and the TWI is at 79.6. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.